Now to the latest in the coronavirus pandemic. As New York continues to make progress, things are getting a lot worse in other places. For a fifth straight day, deaths in the U.S. topped 1,000. CBS 2's Lilia Luciano reports.
A country divided along COVID lines. People packed into band party buses in Nashville as Tennessee had its deadliest week and moves closer to 100,000 cases.
You're wearing a swastika.
In Minnesota, an angry confrontation after a couple shows up at a Walmart wearing masks with swastikas. Walmart banned them for a year. And in Arkansas, where hospitalizations hit a new single-day record and anti-mask march.
The government is here to protect our Constitution, not to protect our health.
The pandemic surging in Florida, second in cases only to California, with more than 400,000.
I'm not going to wear a mask to make somebody else feel comfortable.
In Texas, thousands fighting for their lives in hospitals as bar owners struggle to keep their businesses alive.
We can either fight this thing with everything that we have or go out like pathetic losers.
The West is getting worse. California leads the country in infections, and in Arizona, ICU beds are almost 90% full. Traveling ICU Dr. Luis Rosario in Phoenix.
We've lost a lot of young people.
No pre-existing conditions.
Young people with no pre-existing conditions.
One of those healthy young people, a 40-year-old nurse who worked right there in the ICU.
I had to put him on a breathing machine, screaming his wife's name, and the last words he heard was from me, telling him that we were going to take good care of him. And unfortunately, he died.
Nationwide, many people in ICUs are Latino and essential workers. That's a group that California's governor is trying to protect with a series of new measures that include temporary housing for people who become infected to be able to quarantine safely. Lilia Luciano, CBS News, Los Angeles.